What's up, guys? Thanks for getting back for another video. So I am currently in Brevard, North Carolina. I'm gonna do some fly fishing tomorrow. I'm leaving early, about 6 o'clock in the morning, so we'll do some fly fishing. Check it out. It's gonna be awesome, you know. And thanks for watching this video. This guy right here is about to put us on the fish. What is we made it to our first spot. Trying to fish it. We've actually been here for a minute. We've been fishing it pretty hard. Tell guys down there are fishing. Oh. So I just caught a massive brown trout for the size of this little creek here. Totally caught me by surprise. He ate the nymph at the bottom. I'm running a dry and dropper, and he ate the dropper. So it's pretty awesome. I've caught 3 or 4. Luckily, I think I've got them all on my GoPro here. It's still recording. But yeah, I got them all on my GoPro, so it's gonna be awesome. Check out that footage. But yeah, man, we're catching them left and right here. I don't really know what time it is. It's about 8:15 in the morning. And man, they're biting really well right now. I've seen Robert and Joseph catch a couple also, so I'm gonna go see where they went to. They were standing right there earlier, right on the other side of that bridge. But I might fish that a little more before we leave. Caught that big ground like right in there. I just ate the net. I actually missed a good one right there on the dry, but I'm not sure if it's the same fish. It was in the same area. Man, he come up and I heard the popping noise. I was actually about to pick up and move, and man, he crushed it. So that's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna go catch some more fish. So far, I think a brown and a rainbow is what I caught so far. So yeah, I'm gonna go down here and check out what these guys has caught. They were standing there, so I don't know where they went, but I'm about to go find them. So yeah, stay tuned for some more fishing. Hopefully some more catching.
Yeah.
just caught another good size brown, and the net failed me again. I was trying to reach for this camera, and he wiggled his way through the net and got out. Hopefully, I mean, I got him on the GoPro. Definitely, I got him on the GoPro, but he wiggled his way right through this net. So I don't suggest to get this kind of net. I am definitely going to get a new net as soon as I get back. That's 2 fish I've lost, one in Yosemite and then one here because of this net. So I mean, it was a good sized fish too, which you'll see. I'll roll the footage of that fish I just caught that got through the net right after this. So yeah, check it out. We've caught, I think that was number 6 for me. A lot of them on the GoPro. I caught 2 I think that wasn't on the GoPro. But yeah, 6 fish so far. This was the first one that blew up on the top, so that's pretty awesome. I love fishing the dry, and like seeing him come up and eat it. And he definitely came up and he smoked it. You know, first time, hit it, took it down, set the hook, textbook. So that's awesome.